now. Alright guys, I'm in good health. As you can see, I recovered quickly. So today we got my buddy Logan's ZX2. Ford Escort, what year?
99.
99 Escort ZX2. Sport, we're not taking sport.
It's very important.
Oh, sorry. It's the 99 Escort ZX2 Sport 5-speed manual. Beautiful green paint job. So today we're gonna take care of this thing. We got a couple of the spots, as you can see. We got some spots in the front, we got some spots in the rear that we're gonna touch up. There's a little bit of rust on it that we're not gonna go too crazy on. We're gonna see how much better we can make this thing look. We have 24 hours and a small budget, $200. See what we can do with this car in 24 hours and 200 bucks. I guess we're gonna jump right into it. First things first, we gotta wash it down. We're gonna let it dry. As we let it dry, we're gonna go get some stuff. So let's do it. Fire. And this is your last day on the job. Pack your bag. Screw you. That's not even my car. Alright, plates are off. That's step one. So right off the bat, I'm thinking of 3 things that I can do to this thing. We're gonna paint it, we're gonna paint the wheels, and we're gonna do a custom front splitter like I did in the Fiesta. And then anything left over that we have from that budget, we're gonna see what we can do with that as well. So let's get to it. Ladies and gents, we finished up some of the tape work and some of the wash work, so it's all clean, ready to go. Now we got to go pick up some supplies.
For curbside pickup, press 2.
No, I did not need to press 2. Dang. I was just wondering if you guys have any spray paint, those turbo cans in stock. Say that again. Did he just put me on hold? So we got some turbo cans. As you see, we got it all bagged off. It's pretty much ready for paint. We're gonna prime it. Zinsser. This isn't Rust-Oleum, but I think it'll work just fine. We got 4 times faster turbo can primer. And then once we prime it, we're gonna start on the paint. Let's get to it. We got the car all primed up, so now we're gonna move on to our paint. We got the Rust-Oleum turbo can this time, so if you guys want to do this, Pay attention what we're using because these things rip. This coat was like probably 2-3 minutes. The whole car was covered in primer. So let's jump on this paint.
So far, 1 can of primer, 1 can of white paint. Right?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Think about how many rattle cans you'd use.
You wouldn't. You'd be like 20, 30, 40, you'd be 2 cans in.
Good.
All right, pro tip, take a little piece of tape, roll it up, or if you get stuff in your paint, take this, roll it up piece of tape, come at your little annoying bug, and remove him. Pro tip. All right, so we finished up the paint. Now we're about to get ready to bag it up. So far, this is what we got for 50 bucks. This, I don't want to show you too much, but this thing is coming out insane. So we're gonna get ready to bag this thing off now, and
Bag it off?
we're gonna have to go. We're gonna.
All right, guys. So we're 50 bucks deep into this thing, and look at this. This is a show car. Now we just got to take the bags off, unwrap this thing, paint the wheels, get this thing on the road. Pick up some chicks.
All right, so this fog light's coming out. There it is. So we got the fog light out. We're gonna take both these fog lights out, and we're gonna get them tinted.
Seth, can you get to that water?
All right, favorite tool. Boom. Yeah, I'd rather play safe than sorry. All right. Let's go get some stuff. Okay, just picked up some VHT Nightshade. We're gonna tint these tails. Yep. Some prep spray. Just a nice light smoke. Alright, so one of the last pieces to the puzzle, guys, is this splitter. Does this look familiar? Yeah, so we're gonna use the same template I used on the Fiesta. We're gonna cut this out, we're gonna fine tune it, so let's get to it.
Take 6 feet.
6 feet?
Yeah.
Okay, so 6 by 24, right?
Two.
So that would be
6
about
by 24.
6 foot by 2 foot, about 24 and 6, 24, 6, multiply
Convert
that,
to millimeters.
and divide
We
that by
wanna get
2.
the gross weight. Then we're gonna subtract
And boom, we got a splitter.
Okay.
That's it. Boom. What do you think? Yeah? Some serious time attack type deal? That's sick. Nah, it'd be more something like this. But we're gonna cut, obviously, a lot of that away.
Come on, go check it out.
That's crazy much, dude. We're gonna chop this piece to the exhaust and then throw it on with some clamps. We're gonna throw these taillights on, everything looks good, we're ready to go, so we're gonna start wrapping everything up. Okay, that's it, guys. That's a wrap for the 24-hour and $200 car build challenge. We did to this thing, we got a couple listed right here. The prices. The first we did was paint right there. The second thing we did was painted the wheels. So that's the rough cost of that. The front splitter, here's the cost of that. We tinted the taillights, we tinted the fogs, we restored the headlights, we got some fuzzy dice, we got a new shift knob, we got a steering wheel cover. So basically we just went over everything that we could think of cosmetically that was cheap and easy, and pretty much transformed this car in about 24 hours. Motivation for you guys that you can do this on your car, your friend's car, surprise your mom, you know, do this to your buddy's car, surprise him. Really, the options are endless. So hopefully this goes to motivate you guys to try this yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see more of these. All right, boys, run those numbers up. It's a fun one to do, but to keep doing this, I need some support from you guys. So go to my Instagram. Let me know if you like those designs that I got for the wide body Fiesta, and buy that clothing so I can keep doing more of these. Thanks so much, guys. Like, subscribe, comment. See you later. Yes, let's go! Let's go! We did it, bro. 24 hours. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Ford Escort. Woo!